Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is October 14th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be October 15th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, if you find them very helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for today, we had a strong bullish run to the upside. Did think it was going to stop somewhere around these 4407s, 0607s, but we kept continuing to push higher and higher. Went up to our 21 22s and then continued to push higher than that as well. My next two targets up are going to be somewhere long term 4465 and then 4475 as the long-term levels to the upside. I think we get pretty bullish from here, so we'll see if we can get up to those levels. I do want to see, though, for S&P 500 maybe getting a nice pullback into these 4436s first and then bouncing up. If not there, maybe somewhere down here at these 4427s for a continuational move. Really not going to be looking for too much shorts unless we get underneath this area right here, these 27s. If we get back down below this level, we may end up seeing this trying to come right back down into these 06s and then 43.9775 as the next levels of support down below. So as of right now, still want to continue this bullish run. Levels 36.75 and 44.27 as the areas of support. Let's take a look here on a smaller chart. So for S&P 500, again, kind of a little bit top heavy right now. So want to see if we can get back down here. Either bounce off this area, 36.75. If not, look out for this area right here at these 27s. This could be a nice long opportunity up. So we're going to look, maybe get two bounces around one of these two areas and look for a continued bullish move. If we just break down below, get below this area, look for this to try to pull back into these 44.0625s as a movement down. So we'll keep that in mind for S&P 500. Let's take a look over here on gold, see what's going on with gold. So gold, we did push up a little bit higher, had a nice bounce from the London session support to push up higher. Then we went into a very thin consolidational move. You can see 1801.6 is our resistance, and you can see where our support is 1796.2. Still trying to hold it a little bit to try to turn this up, but if we get below this, if we dip like this below, look for this thing to try to collapse back into 1787.9, and then if we get below that level, look for the next level down below, 1778 as the next support area as the market tries to come down to those levels. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold for you guys. So again, want to see if these buyers could step in. Now we've tried this level a couple times, but again, in that range, you want to buy low, sell high. I do think though maybe we'll end up collapsing below and then coming down to a deeper level of these 1787.9. So we got to keep that in mind. But right now, still slightly holding this bullish structure. So if we just bounce right back up, this could be a nice long right back to the mid area and then to the top. And if we fail to get through, look to short 1801.6 on a fade opportunity because this is bullish as of right now. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what we got here on crude oil. So bringing crude oil over, you can see bullish on crude oil as well. Looking for this thing to come back down to support here, 81.48. If it holds nicely, our next level up, 82.17. Now, if we can't break this level here, 82.17, look for this to collapse lower. But right now, still strongly bullish on crude oil. So you want to make sure you're taking your trade opportunities either 81.48 if we hold that nice support, and if not that area, look for it to collapse even deeper into these 80.84s for a bounce. And if not there and you're not short, look for these 80.06s for the next bounce of support. Those could be your long opportunities that you're looking for, but you get beneath 80.84, that could mean that we push down even deeper from there. So just keep an eye out for that. I'd rather see the structure, if it's going to continue bullish, at least hold these 81.48s, and max 80.84. If we can hold that, that could continue as bullish as well into our next level, 82.17. But I do think that these bulls may want 82.17. So keep that in mind. If you get another rotation and it fails, we'll look for that upside from that area if we can't break these 81.48s. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. So again, not too difficult of trading that we're looking for from our levels. So we'll see what happens when it comes into the London session. But again, if you guys like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Now, if you're struggling to find consistency and success in your trading, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structured Trading. Take a coaching program, maybe a coaching session with us. We would love to help you find success in your trading. Other than that, if you continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.